Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to my channel Fat to Fit with Monica. Today we are doing abs exercise. So let's get started. Lie down on the floor and we'll do bicycle crunch. Remember, if you want to get those flat defined abs, you need to engage your core. And the best way to do is to focus on your breathing. So inhale and exhale. Squeeze your abs each time you breathe out. In bicycle crunch, you have to lift your legs and you have to move forward and then backward. Keep doing it, guys. All these exercises combined will help you to achieve your abs. So continue doing it. Bicycle crunch will help you to activate all your muscles and increase your metabolism. So keep on doing it. फ्रेंड्स, जैसे जैसे हमारी एज बढ़ती है, हम बड़े होते हैं, हमारी मसल्स धीरे धीरे वीक होनी शुरू हो जाती हैं. तो अगर हम रेगुलर एक्सरसाइज करेंगे तो हम अपनी मसल्स को स्ट्रॉन्ग बना सकते हैं. सो प्लीज़ आप जैसे भी करो लेकिन एक्सरसाइज ज़रूर करो. Now we are doing scissors crisscross. In this, basically you are crossing your legs like a scissors as you lower your legs down. Have your palms rest on your side. Take your legs up slowly and don't restrain on your lower back. Now flip around, guys, and we are doing advanced mountain climbers. Do it slowly first and then start jumping and doing it again. Make sure your core is engaged as you bring your legs out to the side. You can do without jumping also, but don't hurt yourself, and this will really work on your lower abs. Hey, we have almost done 20 reps. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now rest for 10 seconds. Now flip around and lie down on the mat and we'll do reverse crunch. We will twist both the legs up and down. You can also twist left or right, and this will help you to work your whole core, especially on your obliques. See guys, again I'm saying the same thing. जितना आपसे होता है, जितना आप easily कर सकते हो, उतना ही आप करो और उतना ही back लेके जाओ. But doing exercise is very important for your health, for your knees, for your whole body. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Get up again and we'll do mountain climbers again. Push your knees toward the opposite elbows and again engage that core. You have to work it for your abs. So engage your core and inhale and exhale in between all the exercises. Try to do it as fast as you can. Go at your own pace. जितनी स्पीड से आप इजीली कर सकते हो, आप उतनी स्पीड से करो. और अगर फास्ट कर सकते हो, that would be good. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Rest for 10 seconds again. Your abs must be burning now, but keep on pushing guys. Now flip around and we'll do bunny planks. In bunny planks, you have to jump around left and right by rotating your lower body. I am sure friends कि अब तक आपको अच्छे से पसीने आने शुरू हो गए होंगे. It means आपके टॉक्सिन्स जो हैं बॉडी में वो निकल रहे हैं. So keep on doing it guys. अगर आपसे जंपिंग नहीं होती तो don't do it. Do it slowly. Now take rest for 10 seconds and stretch your neck muscles. Great going friends, and now come on a side plank position with one arm bent and we were going to twist and have our elbow touch on the ground. If you feel difficulty in raising your body, then you can touch your knees on the ground. स्टार्टिंग में अगर आपसे अपनी नीज या बॉडी ऊपर नहीं हो रही है तो आप अपना नीज नीचे भी रख सकते हो. Really tough guys. Now rest for 5 seconds and come to the other side and do the same as you have done on that side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is very good for your love handles and for your obliques. I hope you all are enjoying it. Now lie down on your back again and bend your knees and try to come up as straight as possible. When you come up, जब आप ऊपर आते हो, try to hold it for few seconds there and then go down. Keep doing it guys. Keep going. Now we will do legs back and forth for few seconds. Now we will do alternate legs up and down to keep our body cool. This exercise relaxes your muscles also. Now friends, rest here for 5 seconds. Now come up and we'll flip around and we'll do plank hip dips. In this exercise we'll go down low, and when we are going and doing the dips, make sure your form is right. It's very good for your whole body and for your core muscles. And do you know friends, planks and hip dips activate all your body muscles, full body muscles. So keep doing it slowly. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Flip around friends again, and for the last time we are doing in and out. Focus on your breathing. Inhale as you lean back and exhale when you go out. Keep on doing it, guys, to calm all your muscles. Now rest for 10 seconds here. Now the last exercise we'll do half crunch. We'll raise our head up. This is the last exercise and do it for 30 times. I hope you all have liked it. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. If you're feeling any pain in your body, it means your muscles are getting activated. So take a good rest after the exercise. And let me know friends कि अगर आपको full body workout चाहिए तो please let me know in the comment box. If you want yoga stretches, then do let me know. That's all guys. Bye. Take care. Take care. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye. Take care. Be fit, healthy.